Introducing the CAS KIT, the crystal approach sinus kit that safely lifts the sinus membrane with a hydraulic lift system. The CAS KIT reduces the chance of membrane perforation. The patented CAS drill creates a conial bone lid that keeps the drill edge from direct contact with the membrane. CAS KIT ensures safer drilling by preventing sinus membrane perforation. Using the drill stopper makes it easier to adjust the drill depth. The CAS KIT features drill stoppers in 1 mm increments. It is possible to control the drilling depth precisely by using the stopper, which ensures safer drilling without the risk of perforating the sinus membrane. The hydraulic lifting technique of the maxillary sinus can facilitate the blood supply of the surgical site. The CAS KIT's membrane lifter is using hydraulic pressure to elevate the maxillary sinus membrane higher and wider. Consequently, it facilitates blood supply, which encourages the formation of new bone and the healing process. Try the CAS KIT that reduces the risk of membrane perforation to ensure safer surgery.